In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some folders in your Google Drive so that you can organize your materials. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go here to drive.google.com. This is going to take you so that you can log into your Google Drive, okay? You want to log in with your school credentials. And once you've done this, it'll take you to your drive, where hopefully you've already put a few things or you've organized this a bit. So right now, what you're seeing is any of the documents that I have in my Google Drive. This is what I have. What I want to do is be able to organize this stuff so that I can find it when I need it, so that I can save it to the correct folder. So what you do is you go up here and you click New Folder. And then we're just going to do one for each class. So you all have English. We're going to do a new folder. Everybody has a math class. Everybody has world history. Everybody has earth and environmental science. We'll just go EES. You all have health and PE. You will be taking notes in there, and you will need a place to store your stuff. And let's see. And everybody is going to have leadership and action. So I'm going to make an LIA folder for you. You also have an elective, whatever your electives are, whatever you've chosen. So I'm just going to put elective here, but you choose what it is that, what electives you have. If you pick Spanish, make a folder for Spanish. Now that we have all of these folders, I'm going to show you a couple things that you can do with them. First, they do show up in alphabetical order. If it helps you to color code, so what you do is you right click. You can go here to change color. So maybe we want to make this one red. Maybe we want to make our elective, I don't know, green. English. Maybe we want to change that, make it blue. So you can do this with all of your folders just to kind of help you organize. Maybe this makes more sense to you. You can do it however you want. Or you can just leave them all gray. That's totally fine as well. You don't have to color code them. So let's pretend that you have, that we created this document, this assignment 2, right? And it was really an assignment that belonged in English. And maybe I don't want to just call it assignment 2. So I'm going to right click on the assignment. I'm going to go rename. I'm going to say assignment 2, and I'm going to write creative story. Maybe I had to do this for an English class, right? So this was something that was due in English class. I want to put it in this English folder. I can do this one of two ways. I can click on it and drag it right up here to English. I can drop it in there. And it goes. Now when I can see it's gone from here, when I click on my English folder, there it is. You can also, let's say that I want to take assignment 3 and put it in there as well. You can right click on it. You can click move to, then it's going to give you all of your options. So then I'll move it to English folder, move here. So there's two ways to move items that you have in your Google Drive. So if you create it outside of a folder by accident and you want to move it later, that's all you have to do. If I'm in my world history class and my teacher is telling me to go ahead and start a new document, so that it stays in that document right off the bat, I'm going to click on world history. I'm going to click new Google Doc. And now whenever I create this assignment, it will be in world history. So I'm going to say world history assignment number 1, right? And then this is my first assignment. So now we have this assignment. I'm done typing it. With Google, you don't have to click save. If you do something in Word, you do have to click save. So Google automatically saves it. So if I shut this document, and I go over here and I go back to my drive, what I have here is all of my folders. I can click on world history and there it is. So if you create it in the folder, then it will be there. If you accidentally create it outside the folder, it's no big deal. You can just drag it to the folder that you want it to be in. So hopefully this gives you a way to organize all of your documents. Always save your assignments to the folder for the class that you are in. It will make it a lot easier to locate your assignments later on.